Good day, everyone. I will be giving you a simple summary about our previous topic, the context diagram, and I will show you how to create a context diagram and what are the symbols to be used in creating a context diagram. And of course, be sure that you have already the details of the entire process of your selected system. Just like, for example, if you want to create a system about enrollment system, registration system, and other systems, you need to know the process or transaction or list each details of that particular system. So again, what is a context diagram? Context diagram is sometimes called a level 0 flow data flow diagram, and it is drawn in order to define and clarify the boundaries of the software system. It identifies the flows of information between the system and external entities. Take note, no? Take note, if there is an input, there must be an output. And output are process. You come up you come out with an output because it is process. Again, make sure that you have already know and analyze the process or transaction of the system. And you can focus on the following. Who are the persons involved in the system? And what are the information exchange from system to entities? Okay? In creating a context diagram, the entire software system is known as single process. Be aware of the symbol. You need to follow what is given. Symbols have slash 0 and has a division or line between slash 0 and the name of the systems. Take note also the edge of the symbol. It could be rounded square or rounded vertical rectangle. Okay, and these are the basic symbols used in data flow diagram, their meanings and example. First, external entity or entity symbol. It represents another department, a business, a person, or a machine, a system, but it is frequently used a person. It is a source of destination of data outside the boundaries of the system. And entity should be named with a noun. And again, observe the shadowed square. Observe the shadow squared with the name inside. Next is data flow. Data flow shows the movement of data from one point to another. It describes with a noun or a verb, adjective, and a noun. The arrowhead indicates the flow direction through which path the direction can flow. It also represents about a person, place, or thing. The message will be placed above the arrow line. Next is process. Process denotes a change in or transformation of data. It represents work being performed in the system, and it is a rounded it has a rounded edge. Naming convention assign the name of the whole system when naming a high level process or it is the context diagram DFD level 0. Use the form verb adjective noun for detailed process. This is only used for or applicable when we create a data flow diagram. Again, we use a single process to create a context diagram. Another is data store. Data store is a repository for data that allows examination, addition, and retrieval of data. And data store is named with a noun for describing the data. Data stores also are usually given a unique references number such as D1, D2, D3, data 1, data 2, data 3. And it is also represents as database, computerized file, filing cabinet. By the way, this symbol is not usually used in the context diagram. This can be used in the data flow diagram. We have here a simple example of context diagram or level 0 data flow diagram. The context diagram shows the whole process of sales order system. Again, this is only an example for uniformity and following the rules of each symbol. We will use the symbol explained. Observe the information of or data is placed within the arrow. Much better that it is on the top of the line. Another one is the square symbol. The symbol must be shadowed square. Observe the flow of input process, output from the employee entity. It means that the employee's data will be updated and passed through managers. Again, follow the symbols and rules discussed. You can also search any related context diagram for your selected system. That's all for now. I will be uploading the assignment or activities in your Schoology account. And if you have some clarification about context diagram, just send a message in or post in our discussion board. Good day and God bless. Keep safe, everyone.